What is up, guys? This is Tom again, back with another video. First off, I want to apologize that I haven't been posting any content. It's been a really busy month, the past month or so. My last update was in October, so today I'm going to give you guys my November 2018 update on my Amazon business. So before I do, I'm going to go get a massage and get an Uber. So I will be back, and so stay tuned. All right, see ya. All right, guys, I am back, and I have to say that was a massage well overdue. I feel great, feel energized, so let's get right into it. So for those of you who are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Tom. I try to give tips and tricks on my Amazon FBA business because I am a brand new Amazon seller, okay? So just trying to capture my journey and share my tidbits of knowledge as I'm going through this whole process. All right, with that said, guys, I want to apologize that it's been about a month since my last update. I gave the October update, so I'm going to give you guys the November 2018 update. Before I do, happy Thanksgiving. I'm actually in Florida, and I can't complain. I mean, check out the weather here. I mean, absolutely beautiful. And you know, Florida isn't exactly my favorite state because of the humidity, but you can't go wrong when it comes down to winter season. So, all right, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna get right to it, guys. You know, because I don't want to make these videos long or anything of that sort. I'm gonna show you guys what my current numbers are. So I think that last month I was floating around just above 5,000, close to $6,000 in sales. This month, since we've last talked on the video, I'm floating around right there, around 4,000, just above $4,000 in sales. Okay, it's been pretty steady, and I have to say that you know, it's not one of these big numbers that you see on YouTube where you see people selling 20, 50, $100,000 in sales. You know, I'm a brand new seller. You know, I'm gonna be real with you guys. This was my very first product. It was, you know, I follow the same criteria, something that's above $5,000 in revenue. Honestly, guys, go higher, because if you're going to spend all this time and effort to source a product, to sell, to advertise, to market, you got to make it worth it. What I learned, so lesson number one, what I've learned so far is that you got to find a product that's worth your time, that you can source really cheaply and have a high return on investment. Okay, I can't emphasize that enough, because the amount of ad spend, it's going to eat into your margins. So I realized this is my first product. It's not as profitable as I would like it to be. Now, keep in mind, I am selling it. That's what's insane about it. You know, I'm brand new to e-commerce, brand new to Amazon, but like, honestly, if I could do it, you guys can do it too. You could sell, I mean, I sell almost 1,000 units, right? So yeah, lesson number one, spend the time to get a really good product, but don't get into paralysis analysis, okay, guys? You have to take massive action. If anything has a really good potential where you can help differentiate, change the design of a product, or bundle it, and you have a better offering, keep that in mind, a better offering, okay? Don't be a copycat, because it's way too competitive on Amazon. You gotta differentiate, so spend the time to do that at the minimum. So with that said, guys, the second lesson I wanna share with you guys is that you gotta learn to cut your losses. So here's where my thought is with this product. I have enough inventory to last me through the end of the year. I do not plan on ordering new inventory, and here's the reason. Okay? Amazon's been shutting down my listings every 2-3 weeks, and it's mainly because returns, defective units that were supposedly classified as defective units, but these customers, they're smart, okay? They know that by marketing them as defective, they get free shipping. So when I get these defective units and I'm looking at them, I was like, there's nothing wrong with these products. So I was like, that sucks. So like, I always had to fight back to Amazon and say, hey, you know, they're not following directions, even though they're very clearly stated, or, you know, they're just marketing them as defective when they're really not, right? So almost every 2-3 weeks, I had to keep relisting my product. So that's really annoying, and Amazon will shut it down without any warning, guys. You have to pay attention to your email communications. So that's pretty much it. I just didn't want to deal with that hassle. I'm gonna try to see if I can get maybe a better product, or, you know, just look at some of my other options, okay? So that's where I'm going with this whole, first product. And I try not to be overly aggressive and go with multiple products because it does cost money. You have to have capital. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. I want to kind of share with you guys. Definitely spend the time to get a very good product. You can definitely sell it if you do all your research right, and there's a demand for your product. It will sell. But the question is how well it will sell. Okay. All right, guys. It's pretty warm in here. And so I'm not gonna keep you guys too long, but that is my update for November. It is definitely on track. I'm just gonna see if I can get a more profitable product to pursue beginning of 2019. Okay. All right, guys, that is it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a happy Thanksgiving. See ya. All right, guys, sorry about that. You know what? I wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about why Amazon has been shutting down my listings, okay? There is a defect return percentage threshold. It's 5%, okay? So let's assume that you sell 100 units, and if you get 5 defective, you could have different classifications, but if there were 5 defective units that were returned, that were claimed to be defective, Amazon's gonna shoot you an email or shut down your listing, right? Regardless, because they focus on customer experience. So they're just assuming that the customers are not having a very good experience with your product. So they're asking you to take a plan of action, right? So just want to share that with you guys because I thought that was very important information to keep in mind, is that make sure that you have a really good solid product, and that you're gambling the fact that returns are a natural thing in e-commerce, but then it's the rate of those returns, okay? So, all right, guys, that is pretty much it. I forgot to mention that in my video, so I just want to come back and add this little piece. All right, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye.